Good day guys, I want to show you how to compress your document using WeCompress. First, you go to your browser. I'm using Chrome. Then you visit the website wecompress.com www.wecompress.com. So to compress your file, you have to upload the document. You click on the plus icon. You click on the plus icon here. Choose or drag file. So you select file that you want to compress. Immediately you select the file, to start compressing it automatically. So for any of this WeCompress, various types files, PDF, PowerPoint, Word, Excel can be compressed on it. So it has done compressing the file. Then we download the file. It is done downloading. There it is. We have our compressed file.